Yeah, hey everyone. If you are a developer and want to build your career in cloud computing, then AWS Certified Developer Associate is one of the best certification program for you. In this video, I will explain what a certification is, who would take it, and how it help your career. Why AWS Developer Associate certification? So industry leaders. AWS dominated the global cloud platform market and powering millions of applications worldwide. High demanding in market, employees actively seek AWS certification developers for cloud native application like development roles. Industry recognize this globally recognized the certification validate your professional cloud development expertise, real world skills like ability to develop, deploy, and maintain the application in production AWS environment. Understanding the AWS certification show core component of validation of deploying, building a scalable application using the AWS services and SKDs. Deploy like implementing the CI/CD pipeline and development strategy and debug like troubleshooting issue and optimize the application performance. What is AWS Certification Developer Associate? So AWS Certified Developer Associate is a professional certification that validate your ability to deploying and develop and debugging application on the AWS cloud platform. It's focused on real world deployment of skill using AWS services. But who would take this certification? So the certification is idea of software developers, the certification idea of the backend and full stack developers, cloud engineers, and even student and career changer who want to start a career in cloud computing. If you have a basic programming knowledge, if you have a basic IT industry experience like 1 year experience, 2 year experience, show someone AWS like expose and explore the exam is perfect for you. After that, preparing the fundamental and foundation and exam structures. So programming knowledge, AWS core services, hands-on experience is required. Question types, so multiple choice of questions are available in this exam. Total number of questions, so approximately 65 questions are available. Duration is a 130 minutes to complete. Delivery model, like you can take this exam online mode through test center and any nearest test center available in the market. Skill and topic covered. So in this exam you will be tested on AWS services like Lambda, S3, and DynamoDB, API gateway, and AIM. You ought to understand who to deploy the application, manage the security, and handle the error, and optimize performance in AWS. And skill validation by the certification, so application deployment, writing effectively scalable and code of the AWS basic application using the best practice and design like patterns, SKD and API integrations, security implementation, and deploying and monitoring like CI/CD tools, and some other debugging like just like a troubleshooting error. And the AWS deploy the certification enhance your career opportunity and professional portfolio are in creating interview confidence or build a certification pathway are creating. Review effective exam preparation strategy. So first start and review the office resource through AWS platform. Then you can start our practice hands-on practice in free trial account creating AWS. Build your real project in AWS, just like a small application like services related application APIs, and like data processing like pipeline you create, and create your portfolio. Right after that, practice related, many of the questions are available in AWS platform, so you can visit and like read out the questions. Right, career path, you can unlock the AWS developer, you can unlock the cloud engineer, you can unlock the career like backend developer, like AWS backend developer, you can unlock the entry level DevOps engineer. Start your AWS certification journey today. So first learn, practice, then get a certification. Everyone, these all you do in eVision platform. You can learn AWS certification in eVision platform. So you can visit on eVision Technoserve official website, go on through AWS certification. After, you can communicate team member. Thanks everyone.